Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial, we are going to solve these questions. Here we have a equal to this square root, right? So how can we simplify this square root? We have square root of 2022 times 2023 times 2024 times 2025 and then plus 1 here. So this number seems so huge, right? If you wanna calculate it and if you use calculator, it would be easy. But if you cannot use calculator to calculate it, it probably difficult, right? So what can you do if you don't have a calculator? So now I'm going to solve this question for you. Please stay tuned to find out how can we solve this question together, okay? Okay, so first things we have to represent a equal to 2022. Okay, so then a equal to 2022, we can take small a here and substitute into this quantity, alright? So the quantity of a here will be changing to a, and here is gonna be a plus 1, right? And 2024 will be equal to a plus 2, and 2025 will be a plus 3. Okay, so now we have a new quantity in terms of a. When we have it in terms of a, the number is look smaller and it's easier for us to calculate. Okay, next then it equal to. So here is a important part that we have to know the trick that we can use it to solve this question. Okay, how can we simplify it? So first things, I have to group a closer to a plus 3. That is the trick, and we keep a plus 1 next to a plus 2. So then we plus 1. Okay, so the trick is that we take a closer to a plus 3. Okay, so then now we can expand these two factors and we will expand these two factors as well. Okay, so then equal to. So now we got a times a, which is a square. So we got a square, and then we have a times with 3, which is 3a. Okay, and then factors. So here we also have to expand these two factors. So we got a times a, we got a square, and a times 2, which is equal to plus 2a, and then plus. So now we have 1 times a, which is equal to a, and 1 times 2, so that will be equal to 2, and then plus 1 at the end. Okay, so here we have 2a and plus a would be 3a. Okay, so now we can keep it still the same, which is a square and then plus 3a, and then factors with a square and then plus 3a and then plus 2 and then plus 1 here, and then equal to square root of. So now we can take a square plus with 3a and then factors. So I can take a square and then plus 3a to make it one term. So then here we can put like this in one term, and then we put bracket and then plus 2 like this. So this part which is still the same like this, it doesn't change, but we just wanna take these two terms to make one terms like this. So then we plus 2 and then we plus 1 at the end. Okay, so then equal to square root of. All right, next we're gonna expand this, but I'm going to take this part time with this part and then this part, right? So when we take this part times with this part, we will get this part raised to square, right? Okay, and then plus. So this part times with 2, that will be 2 times of this part, and then plus with 1 at the end here. Okay, so from here it will be in a form of a formula. So what is the formula is it? So now I'm going to remind you a formula, which is a plus b raised to square. So this famous identity you probably already know, so just reminder. Okay, a plus b all raised to square will be equal to a square and then plus 2ab and then plus b square. Okay, so when we look at this form, we got a square plus 2ab and then plus b square here. So it is also in the form like this. So this part will stand for a, right? And here is a square. And then plus 2a and times b. b is equal to 1. So we don't have to times with 1s. Okay, so then we plus with b square. So 1 also can be raised to square like this. It is okay, yeah. So now we have a square plus 2ab and then plus b square. So this is in the form of a plus b raised to square. So now I could write a plus b, which is a square plus 3a and then plus with b, which is 1, and all raised to square. Okay, now we have square with the square root, so we can simplify together. We will get the number under the square root here. Okay, all right, so a square plus 3a and then plus 1. So now we can take the values of a equal to 2022, substitute into here. So we will get 2022 raised to square and then plus 3 times with 2022. Okay, and then plus with 1. All right, so then equal to. So if we calculate this number, we can calculate it. It just take a little bit of your time to calculate it, but now I'm just put the answer for you. Okay, all right, so now we have found the answer of the quantity a. So therefore we got a equal to 40, 94 and 55 one here like this. Okay, finally we have finished solving these questions, and I hope you understand, and thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for my latest video, and goodbye, see you in the next video.